The multifunction super clamp continues to be a great accessory for clamping cameras, lights, even microphones to different objects quickly and easily. Now Ulanzi have tweaked the design to open up even more mounting possibilities with this, the Ulanzi crab clamp. The Ulanzi multifunction super clamp is a very versatile mount with a solid design that can be used with any item sporting a standard 1/4 inch 20 mounting point. Be it cameras, we even tested it with a full-on DSLR, as well as microphones or video lights, and once tightened into position it locks seriously firm. Ulanzi have tweaked the design somewhat and provide not a replacement, but an additional option in the form of this, the double super clamp, also referred to as the crab clamp due to the crab-like claws at either end. And that's the main difference here. Rather than a 1/4 inch 20 mounting point, we simply have another clamp. There's no arm and ball joints here either, just a single central piece which rotates 360 degrees and can be locked into place by means of a single thumb screw. Otherwise, we maintain the same solid aluminum alloy construction, keeping it relatively lightweight, yet incredibly robust, as well as a sleek black finish with some simple branding, not overwhelming at all. The jaws of the main clamp are opened and closed by means of a well-sized thumb screw, large enough to easily twist for a tight grip onto any flat or circular object. Talking of grip, the clamp at either end is lined with rubber too, making sure it holds onto even metal poles and bars super firm. And that includes even larger objects thanks to a nice wide 58mm opening range. Using the system is pretty much the same as the super clamp though, and it holds just as firm, no issues there at all. While most will find the super clamp useful for mounting cameras, lights and other accessories, this crab clamp is useful for all other objects that do not have a standard 1/4 inch 20 mount. Maybe you want to quickly mount your hand grip for instance, or even an umbrella onto your tripod ensuring your camera equipment stays protected from the elements. In either case it works perfectly well. You do lack a little versatility since we have no ball joints in between, but with some careful placement I didn't really miss it at all. It's a very handy little mount that works perfectly well. So just as the Ulanzi multifunction super clamp seems to tick all the right boxes, this double super clamp complements the set nicely. A versatile little mount with a solid design, and once tightened into position it locks firm, making it a very handy addition to any camera operator's setup.